Hi, it's Grant here, and I hope you're doing great today. So in today's quick video, I want to discuss the 4 critical elements you must have if you want to generate consistent customer sales online, whether that's through social media platform or a paid advertising network. Now, the first thing you must have is you must have an irresistible offer that your market ultimately desires. Now, your offer is going to be more than just listing your product or service. It's how you position your product and service in such a way that it seems so valuable and such a no-brainer deal that people can't resist, making a purchase. And obviously, as part of your offer, if you remove all buyer fear and all risk by adding a killer guarantee and giving a ton of bonuses, that is how you create an absolutely killer and irresistible offer. So that's the first element. Now, the second element is you must have some kind of conversion mechanism, and there's all sorts of different kinds of conversion mechanisms you can use depending on your sort of strategy. So you could just have a straight sales letter, you could use a video sales letter, you could use a webinar, you could use a product launch funnel, you could even use if you close people on the phone, you can have a sales call. But whatever it is, you must have some kind of conversion mechanism to turn a prospect into a new customer. So that's the second element. Now, the third element is you must drive traffic into your conversion mechanism. So there's 2 kinds of traffic strategies you can use. You can use free traffic or you can use paid traffic. Generally, free traffic strategies, they take longer to kick in. But once you get a free traffic strategy going, it's usually pretty good. Something like SEO, you'll have consistent traffic every day for free. But the fastest way is to generate paid traffic, and there's all sorts of paid traffic strategies you can use, like Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and whatever. But the key point here is in order to generate customers, you've got to drive traffic, free and paid, into your conversion mechanism. So that's the third element. Now, the final element, and this in many ways is the most important of all, is I think you need to build a really powerful relationship with new prospects and ideally your audience. Now, Frank Kern, who's one of my favorite marketers, said that your income and your revenue is directly proportional to the relationship and bond that you have with your audience and your tribe. And that is so true. The more value and the better the relationship you have with your prospects and your audience, the more people are going to buy from you. So guys, those are the 4 key things that you need if you want to generate consistent customer sales online, whether that's through social media or a paid advertising network. Now, if you want to learn more of the latest paid traffic and conversion strategies, I'm going to be opening my Vault paid traffic and conversion community this coming Thursday, December the 6th at 12 p.m. If you want to join the wait list, click the link below or above this video, get your name and email onto the list and you'll be notified when we launch. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and I look forward to speaking with you soon.